Today, I'm going to share with you a 5-minute habit that is going to help you feel happier, more grateful, and less stressed every single day. Hi, I'm Pratima. Since the past 5 years, I've been helping thousands of people create meaningful journaling habits. In this video, I'm going to help you make journaling simple, doable, and life changing. You know those days where everything feels off? You wake up late, you rush through the morning, and even maybe spill coffee on your shirt just before that important meeting. After a long, exhausting day, you come home, you slosh on the couch, and just think, what a terrible day. Here's the thing. Was the entire day really that bad? Or were there just few moments in the day which made you feel like the entire day was terrible? What if, instead of focusing on what went wrong, you pause for 5 minutes and write down about what went right? Maybe a stranger smiled at you. Maybe a friend sent you a funny text that made you laugh. Or maybe even through all the chaos, you just made it through the day. That's the power of gratitude journaling. It shifts your focus from what is wrong to what is going right in your life. Most people do gratitude journal like this. They open a book, they write down 3 things that they're grateful for, maybe say their family, their health, and their job. And they close the journal and get done with it. This is okay, but this does not help you internalize the feeling of gratitude and hence does not have the same impact. If you want to feel the real benefits of gratitude journaling, here's how you should do it. Step number 1. Feel it before you write it. As soon as you open your journal, don't write anything in it. Close your eyes and think about what you want to write. Maybe your family. Close your eyes and think about your family. Think about all your family members. Feel the emotions of why you're grateful for having them in your life. This will help your brain actually experience gratitude and not just put down words on paper. Step 2. Adding a because. Instead of just writing, I'm grateful for my health, add a because. I'm grateful for my health because it helps me take long walks every day to clear my head and also feel energetic at work. Adding because makes gratitude more specific and meaningful. Number 3. Keep a list of prompts ready with you. Sometimes you stare at the paper and you don't know what to write. And that is when these lists of prompts can come handy. The list can have things like what made you smile today? Who are the people that you're grateful for and why? Or what is something small that you often take for granted? Having prompts removes the pressure and makes journaling happier and easier even on the tough days. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds nice, but does it really work? Well, science says yes. Let's break it down. Imagine you wake up tomorrow and you get to know that your salary is doubled. Feels amazing, right? Well, studies show that gratitude journaling is going to improve your happiness as much as your salary getting doubled. It also rewires your brain for good. Ever notice when you buy a new car, that is all you can see everywhere? Do you know why it happens? That is your brain's reticular activating system at play. It filters what you notice based on what you focus on. Gratitude journaling helps your brain look at good things in your life. So after a certain point of time, without even trying, your brain only focuses on the happy things that are happening in your life, thereby making you more satisfied and content with your life. Feeling constantly stressed, can't sleep at night, gratitude journaling is the answer for you. Research shows that gratitude journaling every day at night helps you sleep faster and better. Other studies also show that gratitude journaling reduces your cortisol, that is your stress hormone, thereby making you stop overthinking and sleep at night easily. So basically, gratitude journaling is not just about feeling good, it literally rewires the way in which your brain thinks. So if a 5-minute habit can make you feel happier, grateful, and less stressed, why not just give it a shot? No overthinking, just pick a prompt and start writing. Thank you for watching the video and happy journaling.